SB Vacuum Services offers industrial vacuum dust collectors that are essential for a range of job sites. These powerful vacuums are often overlooked but play a critical role in maintaining clean and efficient operations. This is 6 job sites that need an industrial vacuum dust collector. In construction sites, where dust and debris accumulate, these vacuum systems revolutionize the way work is done. Sawmills benefit from these vacuums by efficiently removing sawdust, ensuring safer and more productive operations. Processing facilities dealing with various types of waste find these vacuums indispensable for maintaining cleanliness and quality. Glass facilities utilize these vacuums to manage glass dust, enhancing product quality and worker safety. Metal facilities use industrial vacuums to handle metal dust, ensuring machinery efficiency and worker well-being. Refineries also benefit from these vacuums to clean residues, boosting productivity and safety. SB Vacuum Services specialized vacuums address specific challenges in each industry, from removing fine particles in glass facilities to handling tough residues in refineries. The result is improved efficiency, safer working conditions, and higher product quality. By investing in professional cleaning services like SB Vacuum, businesses ensure a cleaner and more productive future. These vacuums are not just about cleanliness, they transform workplaces, making them operate at their best. SB Vacuum Services. Don't let dust and debris hamper your operations. Take the proactive step today. Reach out to SB Vacuum and witness the transformative power of professional industrial cleaning firsthand.